Hello, my beautiful and meaningful people. Na me again, oh, that una little sister or that una next dog. Yes, una know now, Dara for Dara Talk Show. If na your first time wey you dey watch my video or you still don watch many of my video, you still dey think whether may you subscribe or may you no subscribe. If you no subscribe for my YouTube channel, wetin you gain, wetin I do you? I no do you anything na. Make una kindly join me for my YouTube channel. Press that red button. That red button, just press am once like this. It's okay. That's only thing wey you go do for me. And may you no forget, as you press that red button, you go come see that notification bell. Abeg, may you click am. May you no forget to drop your comment. So e dey very important. Thank you very much. And also, may una join me for my Facebook page. It's called also Dara Talk Show. Yes, like and follow. Let me share my videos, invite friends, lovers. That's where I do my live show. If una dey watch my video, you have never seen me live, doing my live video, kindly join me on my Facebook page called Dara Talk Show. And as una do, I hail una. Una do well for my body. Thank you. So today now, wetin I wan come bring no be how I go take talk am. May I no take una time too much. May we go straight to the point. Abeg, see, many people dey happen now for social media concerning Nigerians. Na we all the time. See, I know say plenty people don hear am say they don arrest this guy, Ismaila Mustapha, aka Mofa, for Nigeria. Dem arrest am o. EFCC. Hey, my people, may una think twice before una do anything nowadays because this present government wey dey Nigeria now, no be yam thing o, no be play matter o, dem dey serious o. Now the case no be say dem arrest Mofa be the case. Ordinary wristwatch wey dem collect for im hand, dem say e reach almost 20 million. If e no pass 20 million for wristwatch. That one wey dem get collect for im hand, no be the case o. Make una still think about many other wey go dey very expensive pass all those one wey go dey hidden place. Abeg, make we no go that side before, because if we too dey think am now, I go begin dey get headache. Yes, who no like better thing? Who no like better life? Who no like money? Abeg, make una bone, make una chill. No be the only gist wey I wan come give una. Now, dem don arrest Murphy. The thing wey dem come still talk now be say, they say Murphy e get almost 51 different accounts. Haba, 51. You get to sef. I don't know. Anyway, God dey na. As e get 51 different accounts, whether only for Nigeria, no, e no go be only for Nigeria now. E go be worldwide, una understand. So now, they say, which kind business Mofa dey do? No better business like that, but billions of naira e dey enter, dollar, pounds, euro, name it. You understand? Now, e still dey their custody. We no know wetin go happen next. Now, the gist gangan wey I wan tell una, make una lis ten well. I wan yarn una better gist, but if you no lis ten well, make you dey follow as I dey talk am. You no go get this gist o. But to those of una wey be say una go dey rake una mouth say blogger, dem dey do this, dem dey do. Wetin be blogger? No be to do gossip. Yes na. Abeg, if blogger no blog human being, who e go blog? Make blogger go blog dead body? No na. Okay, if dead body sef dey rap am the way dem no suppose rap am, dem go blog am. If tree, everybody know how tree be now. If tree e no be the way every normal tree suppose be, or e go grow where e no suppose grow, or e get one kind branches wey be say e no suppose get, dem go blog am. Everybody know say fish na inside river, inside water, dem dey live their life, dey jolly, dey fresh like that. If fish now, we come see am for ordinary dry ground, on top of sand, e still dey jolly there. E no be say e dey stress like say e wan die because e no dey inside water. But we come see fish, if e dey on the dry ground like that, and they do like say they swim and in body they shine, no hustle like that. Blogger go blogger now. Anything wey dey strange, blogger go blogger. So those of una wey una dey accuse people say blogger this blogger that blogger this, so abeg you too be careful. Something wey you go do wey you no go want make blogger dem carry you come out, you too make you no do am. Na be my own advice for the people wey dey accuse blogger dem. No be the main gist be that o. I don tell una. Now make we go to the gist. How many of una remember this guy wey dem dey call Otunba Cash Money? Hey, cha. Wey dey Turkey that time. I'm sure say since they arrest that guy now, till now we no hear anything. Whether dem release am o, whether dem no release am, abeg anybody wey get vital information, una fit pass am to us. But to me, I never hear anything since they arrest that guy. You know, the way we October 2, they take spend lavishly that time. Where they go club, you go take club, they pump anything, pump. You know, they spray money anyhow. I remember how many of una they follow social media self. Now the main gist I won't go talk so. I remember some years back where this October Cash really they rain like that. And one thing I want me una hear for this my video be say, see my sister them where they dey Nollywood, the Yoruba side. Abeg no be say me I like them oh. I like them well. I like them well. You know, it's like they watch their movie like that. Because that one another story. Me I no bring her enter this thing. But I go talk briefly about this our sister then. You know, say this our sister wey dem dey Nollywood, this Yoruba side. Me will talk about the Yoruba side today. Our sister them why una go dey quarrel say that they blog una? Why they no go blog una? Because everything everything wey una dey do, na im una dey bring come out. If una shit, we go hear. If una drink, we go hear. E be like say una dey take am dey jolly body, and some of una dey use am like say, okay make una for dey relevant. For the blogging side, some of una now una go carry una tori go give blogger, make them blog una. Make una for dey relevant. After una go still come out, come dey talk shit. Una dey feel am. Now wetin I really want talk no be dey una matter today. Wetin I want talk be say for our Nollywood, the Yoruba side, our Yoruba sisters dem, the actress dem, why they go dey blog? Why the blogger no dey even comot mouth for their matter? Be say, you see our sister na only one sugarcane, all of them they shop at a time. If this one shop this sugarcane now, if the owner of the sugarcane tire, he pack on one side, he go take the next one. Now so and so far the man now, he get plenty money where he go spend and everything. Una trust my sister then. They no care. If he like say may take them do 5 some, then go do. So far money go follow and come out. Now it be the thing. I bet me una take am easy, my sister then. Me una take am easy. Waiting. See, most of our Yoruba actresses now, I know we no can't even know what's in the happen, because today we go hear this one, do this one, tomorrow we go hear that. I beg another thing be say some of the new actresses where they enter, they join the industry now. Almost all of them, they are well educated. And they beautiful. So now so men they order them anyhow. Me una no quarrel me o. Me una no vex for this thing o. I no quarrel una. I dey pray una. I dey praise una na. Na praise I dey praise una. So una dey beautiful, and so many of our brother dem, if they just did them for fun, like for movie or something like that, now so they order them anywhere, any part where you dey for this world. So far the money dey your way you go spend, you kindly invite them, join body where you dey. And na so now, some go leak, some no dey leak. But the story wey me I wan come talk for this video now, na those of you my brother wey we did this abroad, na I want me una borrow me una sense, me una open una eyes with 3DD. Now una remember before they catch this Otunba Cash for Turkey, Some years back, he did one of these the actresses, one of our Yoruba actress, where be they do something that time. Even before the person they celebrate something. Hey God, we dey hear am how Otuba Cash dey really they really dey nice to my sister dem for the actresses. They say the man dey like them well well. They really dey take care of them. Thank God, e no easy. After all, how much movie dey pay? How much dem go need money to put body and soul together? At least make dem still dey relevant, because the old one wey dem dey, I no mean dem like our daddy Adebayo Salami, like Mama Awero, like Mama Rainbow Adegbola, and so on. No, those one they are our mama and our daddies. Maybe like some, like from 45 down or 50 down or something. See, the one wey dem don dey the industry tey wey dem don still dey owe small small now, dem no gree leave the industry o. Yes, because the new one wey dem wan begin dey enter now, e be like say dem wan come begin dey pursue the old one. And you know what? The old one sef, their head scatter there. Dem get mouth. Na like dem go just stand there say, you wey you be new one, wey you wan come join dem, dem wan say make dem comot for una, make una for see roads waka. Na lie. They say na the new one, make dem go wait for their turn now. Say their turn never overripe. Say dem still dey kakaraka. No be still the gist. I know, na too like gist. I know. Sit down. I go tell una. So now back to Otuba Cash. Na so they say arrest that guy o. Till now, some years back, wey one of our sisters for the industry, he dey celebrate. Na him dey invite this guy. Oh, when this guy enter that place, he spoil money. See spray for like 1 hour. Dem still dey spray the money. So tey the celebrant sef tire to the hole. E tire for this way. The kind money wey dem dey spread am too plenty. Who go see that kind thing wey im hands no go be like this now? So later now, we come dey hear say na so many of them dey go like that. They go hustle the guy. The guy, anyone wey e like, he go just pinpoint am like say you wan fresh fish pepper soup. Go just look am, pinpoint which one you want. So now, as they don catch that man, abeg, wetin una don hear from that guy? We no hear again. And that our Yoruba industry, movie industry, our sister dem, wow, I no abuse anybody o. Wetin I wan talk now? Nobody wey follow shop this guy Otuba Cash, wey dem shop the money with am, enjoy with am, even shop in sugarcane put. None of them come out, even for their account, the one wey dey private or general. You no go see any traces of that guy for their this thing. They don delete am one time. Chai! That one e comot, we rest. Now they don catch another one, Mofa. That guy stinkly rich. That money dey that guy hand o. That guy get the money. And we still hear say na so the guy too dey do. Abeg, which Nigerian man go get money for hand wey no go chop better food, wey no go chop better life? And most of our dis rich guys dem, na for our industry dem dey really dey quick dey pick dem, because dem dey see dem for movie or for this or for that. You know say dem be celebrity now. So money dey na. Anyone wey dem just like, dem will just like, okay, na this one, na this one. Na, dem don arrange am for am. But now the gist be say, as before they arrest Mofa, some months back, we can still see for this social media, say some of our actress, they still go there, go hustle for this Mofa. Hey, so tey we dey even see pictures, see many things. No be say dem say dem dey chop sugarcane or dem dey eat the banana o. But anyhow dem get connection dey. And una know say our industry be say anywhere wey you see us, na money dey follow. No money, nothing. You dey feel am? So now, na so dey still see some of our sister dem with this Mofa some months back. And we know say as that thing, that picture come out and everything for social media, plenty of money go follow am. Na so the thing be. But now the gist be say as they come arrest Mofa, abeg, among all of them wey dey follow shop this money with Mofa, how many of them don come social media come say one thing one thing? Na so all of them go just begin dey bury their face. Na so they go just take cover like say they never hear their name. How our sister dem dey take treat these guys dem? Because before una dey follow dem dey enjoy the money, una know the source of the money, una know how dem dey take make the money. Person wey dey do im work 30 days make e pay, or wey dey do business, e go come carry the gain or im salary go dey spend that kind thing with our sister? No, definitely na one way. You know the one now wey the money go follow come, and as dem dey see say dem dey get the money, na so our sister dem dey follow dem, dey join body, dey enjoy the money together. But when the yawa guys like this, you no dey see anybody. Omo yeri okombo, una no go even smell. They go just pretend like say they never even hear that name before. Oh boy, fear catch me, oko catch me join. They go just close eyes like say that person they never see am for their entire life. They no go even do like say they don't hear that name before. Chai, people. So now the gist now be say, my brothers, wey una dey dis obodo oyibo, wey una own our sister dem wey dey dis obodo oyibo, wey dem still dey single or single mother or whatever, dem dey dis obodo oyibo join una, and dem need relationship. Una go dey stingy because una go dey fear say una no fit follow dem, or because dem don know how dis place dey roll and all dis thing. Una go dey import all dis our sister dem from Nigeria, fiam obodo oyibo, bam. The money wey una no fit give our sister wey we dey here together, when una invite dem come from Africa, una go spend double, because una go buy tickets, dem go do visa. As dem enter, dem go shop. As dem enter, una go do shopping. As dem dey go, una go still give dem money. Only for one trip o. And as dem dey comot, na so una go dey pay that money like that until dem cash, dem cash October cash or Mofa. If dem no cash anybody, na so una go still dey their existing book o. Yes, na so their life be. Yorùbá ní ẹsẹ̀ girigiri ilé àńjọ̀fẹ́ ni. Àńjọ̀fẹ́ wá kú báyìí sìn, gbogbo ilé dẹ́ párọ̀. My brother, I feel for now. Now I say me I come borrow una something here. Sense, wise word. Wetin I want me una do be say, me una sit down, me una manage the one wey dey una side for this obodo oyibo. Me una no dey go dey import all this our sister dem come. Because if una get little problem like this, dem no sabi una, dem no see una face, so dem no know una. Una dey hear me so? And this one of our sister for that movie industry, they see am the time wey October cash dey. She dey with October cash. They enjoy the money with am. They happy with am, jolly with am, do everything. Na so she still carry the whole thing put for head. They say na the October cash be im backbone that time. As the cash October have dem cut am like this, abeg, una see the traces for the actress face? Na lie. Na lie. Some go say because of the way this na dem no fit dey talk this kind thing for social media, maybe dem dey do something or other. Abeg, make dem go sit down. The time wey dem get money, October get money, wey dey free, dey enjoy the money, dey throw am everywhere, every corner, dey do unnecessary party, dey spend lavishly. Shebi dem dey happy, na dem go still bring am for social media. Dem go come say make we see wetin dem dey do o, see the kind of sweet life wey dem dey live. As dem cash October cash now, make dem still come fit for am. If EFCC catch dem, invite dem, dem go still tell am say no be say dem dey do follow am dey do business o. Na invite dem o, or anyhow wey dem go take talk am. After all, dem get our sister dem get their business na. Abi now my sister, una be oil finger. Ọwọ́ epo ni gbogbo yín. Kí ló dé? See now, they don catch Mofa. Na so everybody mouth make pim. Una no go see im picture for anybody wey even get the picture for im page. Now, later they don delete am. Why una life be like this now? And to those of you wey be say na so una dey do like mofa or like otuba cash dey follow all dis her sister. I no dey tell una make una stop am, but I just dey tell una make una think twice, because dat money, as una make am, the money enter like dat, una hustle the money reach una hand. Una invite dem. Maybe una get girlfriend before o, dat girlfriend no fine again now, na the one wey una dey see for movie after the editing and everything. Person wey be say makeup as if dem minus the makeup wey dem dey wear alone, some of dem go be like a masquerade. Una go say na dat one dey suit una, no wahala. Abeg make una know say Dara dey vex. Why I go vex? I dey my husband house now. I be chiquito for my husband hand. Yes, I no need you. So, as I dey laugh, na me no pain una. Those of una, my brother, wey una dey abroad, wey be say some of una, if una wan go Nigeria, some dey go Nigeria for Christmas now, e no get money o. E go don dey hustle money anyhow, like that, anyhow. E don dey arrange one wey be say if e go Nigeria, na that one dem go arrange for am, wey be say e go use till come back. If you go arrange, they go arrange one kind stupid arrangement for you. You go Nigeria, go they do like, hey man, what's up, man? If ESCC and catch you, you don't enter Kalo. Now your own problem be that too. If you not like, me una listen. If you not like, me una no listen. But this our sister for this movie industry, where be say every big man where they make money, now you they follow, they enjoy. As you they follow them, they enjoy. We see her like this now. So after some months, they go just get problem. I beg, wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen? To those of you who una still want shop this our sister, me una think twice, oh. Me una think twice. This our sister, he shop Otuba cash, they catch am. Now, Mofa, he shop am, they don't catch am. The next person now, I know say the next person go still dey. Me una think twice, oh. No be everything wey sweet, na im dey sweet belle, oh. Some things dey wey be say you put am for mind, sweet well, if e enter your belle, e turn to poison. E turn to poison. No be every woman wey you see, na im dey climb im chest. And my sister, I no mention anybody, oh. No, abeg, if una know wetin I dey talk, sorry. Make una go social media, e dey social media. And to those of una when I dey talk rubbish, dey yarn nonsense. See, anything wey una see Dara dey talk, or una see for my YouTube channel, or una see for my Facebook page, or una see for my video, definitely una don see am, e don go viral. Everybody don talk and finish, rest. Before me, I dey talk my own. I want to say facts dey there. I no be among of those people wey be say they will just sit down, they cook one dirty story because they want destroy person. No. And my own video, I know they do am to destroy anybody. Instead, na learn. I want me una learn for my video. If you dey watch my video, you no fit learn one thing like that. Na be say, na only God go fit come down from heaven, come teach you. Na be the thing. Brother, as una dey prepare for this Christmas, go spend am for Nigeria. You know how since January to this very moment now, you know how hard you don dey work inside this cold. Cold don come now again. If na summer, the summer go make a cracker, cold go come. You go begin dey sick anyhow. Because the cold too much. And come imagine inside that cold, you enter work. They do the work, you gather the money, you want to go Nigeria. Before you go, they do yo man for Nigeria. That Nigeria of nowadays no be like yesterday, oh no. You waka go where you not supposed to waka. You go, they post, they do yo man, make them for no say na abroad you from come. If SCC hand catch you like this, you don't enter and be that so. You don't enter am before you go fit explain say na abroad you dey live, you no dey yahoo, you no do this, you no do that. Maybe your ticket don expire, maybe your visa sef don expire. If I don't know, before you go put yourself for trouble, make una look well, open una eyes, open una sense join. Before una go climb person wey una no suppose climb, before una go begin dey from one problem to the other. See these mighty people, make una take and do example. Otuba Cash, he claimed this sister, he get problem, oh, they catch am. Till now, we don't know whether they don't release her or they no release her. Even though they release her, Dem no born am well make e come out again come dey do the way they do before they catch am. Now the same our new morpher now. The morpher now they don catch am. The same thing some months back, e no even tey. Some months back, a month, 2 months now, we see say this morpher and this same sister, dem still dey do one thing, dey run one thing like that. Now Otuba don enter am. My brother, think twice. Think before you go put yourself for trouble because of 5-10 minutes enjoyment. Na the thing wey I say me I come talk for this one. Abeg make una still help me share my video now. If you no share am, wetin you gain? Wetin you gain? Wetin una gain? Una no go gain anything. Help me share my video now. Okay. I too talk. I no know. No vex. But I say because I too love una, may I just come do ofofo with una. Ofofo wey go rescue una, my brothers dem. And even my sister dem, no be every that man wey be say e dey get money for hand, e get this, e get that. Na so una go dey follow. Things dey happen oh. Things dey happen. You sister, wey be say any new catch wey just any new guy wey just arrive like this, na your side dey come. They don arrange you go give am because of money. Na so you go hustle. After how many years you don dey hustle from one bed to the other, from one big guy to the other, apart from the car and the apartment wey you dey take the money rent and your Brazilian wig and all those your cloth wey you dey put for body. Is there any other important thing wey you get? Nothing, because they don take best part of your life go. You don exchange your good destiny for common little change wey dem dey give you. Na so as you be this year, na so you go still be next year. Na lie. Small time, that way you dey from one place to the other, dey hustle up and down, dey sell, e go still make kwango. Yes, you no go fit do anything. Water go dey come out. Yes, dem no go look your side again sef, because new beautiful people, babes, dem dey come out every day. So that time you go don turn to mama for their side. But all the money wey you dey hustle that time na, you invest am? You no invest am na. Holiday in Dubai go allow you. Holiday in Miami, e go allow you, because everybody dey travel for holiday. You too, you wan show na all the money. We even hear say some of una now go borrow, go do ajo, carry the whole money go for holiday, dey buy expensive cars, pay the money back. Una no go gree pay back. But for social media, una no go allow people rest with una fake life. Abeg my brother, I beg una, please, make una think. I no joke oh. I no joke. E fit sound like joke oh, but no be joke matter. My brother, please, before you go do chest to chest with all this sister, abeg, make you no go put yourself for trouble. Go jeje, come back. I don talk my own oh. Na there I say I reach. So as I dey talk am, make una help me share my video. Make una still do what for my YouTube channel. Make una press subscribe na. As una see there I reach, una no fit say okay this girl carry your wahala go. Make una press. Una no gree. Every time I go dey tell una, make una help me press. Una no gree press. Na una sabi. Anyway, till next I come your way. Na me, I myself. Yes, Dara.